Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sean McKay, aka The Lousy Investor. And so today I want to get really specific about a type of property that I like, and that is brick properties. So this could be single family homes, this could be multifamily. I really like brick properties. I think that they can be useful as investors. They have a lot of pros to them versus other types of construction. And so today I want to cover those. So the first idea is, to me, brick properties, at least in our North Carolina market, are a lot of times seen as upscale properties. You see them in really nice, expensive neighborhoods. They have kind of a classy look to them. And so I've found over the years that in some of the older neighborhoods with brick properties, those properties tend to actually appreciate at a greater rate than properties that I would deem to be pretty similar in nature that are other types of materials. So whether they're vinyl wrapped, hardy board, something like that. So I think the upscale component of it can make it a really valuable investment for you. Now, the second reason that I absolutely love brick properties is because they're extremely versatile properties. So with brick, as you're probably aware, there's different tones of brick. So there's kind of the red clay look. Sometimes you can see the lighter brick finish to it. So brick can kind of come in different colors that make it a little bit unique. We also see sometimes investors or homeowners, they'll actually paint the brick on their house to give it a certain aesthetic. So maybe they'll paint it a white or a gray. So again, it's a really versatile type of material that you can do different things with. And then the third concept is the fact that with brick, it actually has the lowest maintenance associated with it versus any other type of construction. So if you think about some sort of finish like a vinyl or a hardy board, unfortunately it has a certain lifespan to it. And depending upon the region that you live in, the weather conditions can be a little bit difficult on the finishes of properties. So you might have to replace those properties or the finishes on these properties every 15, 25 years. And so as investors, that's just more money that we have to put into that asset. Versus with brick properties, they really almost need no maintenance when you think about it. Certainly if you get those properties pressure washed at least every few years, that'll certainly kind of help to maintain the look and kind of the constitution, if you will, of that finish. But I found that it can be a really useful tool to not have to plan for wrapping properties again with other types of materials because they've simply worn out. And so as investors, we think about that, especially on our long-term properties, as a great tool to help us kind of reduce our expenses. So just a little thing to think about today as you're identifying pockets of neighborhoods and types of properties. You might want to consider brick properties as a part of your portfolio. Thanks a lot. Hopefully you subscribe and you hit the like button, and we'll see you soon.